Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can get a professional background for your YouTube videos and a well-decorated background for your videos. In case if you do not have a well-decorated background for YouTube videos, or maybe you have but you want to change it to some other type and you don't want to spend money changing your studio or rest of that, this video I'm going to show you how you can get a professional background for your YouTube videos. And make sure you stay with me in this video and watch it to the end, as you're going to learn how you can get a professional YouTube background studio for your videos. And in this video I will show you how you can do this in few seconds through editing. And guys, if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so as you will always be notified whenever I drop awesome update like this. So in this tutorial there are tools we'll be using, and those things we'll be using for this video are: the first one we'll be using is Leonardo Dot, and the second one we'll be using is Canva, and the third thing we're going to be using in this tutorial is CapCut. So there are things you need to do so as you get a professional background for your videos. So the first you need to know is that while recording your video, you need to use a tripod stand to avoid your camera being shaking while recording. And if your camera is shaking while you're recording your video, you see that after editing or while removing your background in the video, you see that it will be shaking and be having some light in the background, and it will not make it professional anymore. So to avoid that, you need to use a tripod stand or keep your camera where it will be stable to avoid shaking, so as you can get your professional background when you are done editing. So the second thing you need to know is while recording your video, you need a clear background, you need ring lights to make your face show very well, and it will also make your face look bright. And even if you don't have a ring light for this, for your videos, you don't need to bother yourself. What you need to do is just to stand in front of your window and make sure there is enough light ray from outside, and make sure that your face is showing clearly, so that after recording and while editing your video, your face will be very clear while you remove the background. So having known all this, let's dive into my phone screen now. Let me show you how you can get your professional background with editing. So don't forget to share this video to your friends out there who will be looking for something like this. So guys, the first thing you need to do now is to go straight to your browser, and then like I said, we are going to be using Leonardo.ai to generate a background image. So let's search for Leonardo.ai. You can see it over here, Leonardo.ai, and here just create an account. So this is Leonardo.ai. Unleash your creativity with the power of Leonardo AI. So what you need to do here is just to create an account by clicking here. When you click on it, then you create your account with your Google account or your email address, whichever one you wish. You can use it to create your account. So when it opens now, this is how it's going to look like. So and when you click on this place now, you see that every day they will always give you 150 coins, and these coins you always use it to generate image. And when you exhaust the coins they give you and you need to generate more images, you need to upgrade first. And I believe 150 coins is enough for you to generate enough image for your design in a day. Every day they will always give you 150 coins, so it is enough for you to generate every image you want to generate for your designs. So guys, the next thing you need to do here is come straight to image generation. So you click on it now, come here and put design, describe the kind of image you want to generate. So every image you generate will always cost 8 coins, so you have enough coins to generate any image you want to generate. So describe what you want to generate here, and when you describe it, click on generate. So this is the image I've generated. After describing this, you click on generate. So it is going to generate an image for you. So you can see it is reading. So wait for it to generate the image for us to use. Alright guys, you can see the image that was generated for us, images that was generated for us, and you can see all these are awesome, right? So what you need to do now is choose any of the background you like and download it. So for me now, I'll choose let me choose this one and click here to download. You can see it here. So you download it, download again. All right, so let's also download this one. After, we're going to compare it, another one we're going to choose. Also download this one, click on download. All right, so when we are done downloading this image now, the next thing we are going to do is to go straight to Canva. So guys, this is Canva here. What we are going to do in Canva is we are going to upload the image we download in Canva and change it to YouTube aspect ratio, so that when we take it to CapCut, we get exact YouTube aspect ratio which we want to use. So what you have to do here is come to this place and search for YouTube thumbnails. You can see YouTube thumbnail over here. So you click on YouTube thumbnail. So you can just click, select blank background, blank page. So this is YouTube aspect ratio. So the next thing you will do now is to click on this button icon and so come to gallery. Under gallery now, you're going to upload the image which you downloaded. So this is the image you download. So we're going to upload it to Canva, and then what we're going to do now is to make it bigger to fit the size of this place. All right, so it is not, it has fit, it is not the same size with this YouTube thumbnail. So having done this, you can decide to put anything you wish. Maybe you want to come to elements and put something like YouTube, something of this nature, whichever one you want to add. If you don't want to add, you can remove it. All right, so you can decide to add style, you can decide to add shadow, so make it real. So when you're done doing this now, the next thing you have to do now is to go ahead and download it. So I'm going to download it to your device. All right, we are done downloading now. The next thing we're going to do now is to go to CapCut. So in CapCut here now, we're going to upload the image which we downloaded. So here is the image, and you can see it fits exactly this ratio. This is YouTube aspect ratio. So the next thing you're going to do now is to add your video as an overlay. You come down to this place and click on overlay. Add the video you recorded or the video you want to put as an overlay. So let's add this video now as an overlay. Let's assume this is a video we want to edit. So you add it as an overlay, right? So you drag this image now to where the video ends. So you drag it to the place where the video ends. All right, so this is where the video ends. You drag it to that place. So the next thing you're going to do now is to click on the video and go to cutout. So this is cutout. You click on remove background and it is going to load. It is counting. Remove our background. So when it is done counting, while it is still counting, click on good, remove background. So it is still removing. So if you should play this now, so why it is hanging is because it is still removing background. So wait for it to remove the background. As you can see how good it is looking now, but we are not done. The background is still moving. So while the background is still moving, you can adjust your video, make it bigger and bring it down, make it real. All right, so we make it real, as you can see. And the next thing you're going to do now is, let's say you want to add microphone. You actually add microphone. Let's say you want to add microphone. What you're going to do now is to go to Chrome or your browser and search for studio microphone. So when you search for studio microphone now, anyone you like, click on images. So you can download any of the images you like here, and then any of the image you like, you can download it. Click on download and it is going to download to your mobile phone. So when you're done downloading, the next thing you're going to do now is to click on, go to remove.bg to remove the background of the microphone. So here you upload the microphone. So any of the microphone you want to use, what you're going to do is to select it. Let's assume we want to use this. We click on it, click on done, and it is going to remove the background of this microphone. As you can see it, the next thing you're going to do now is to click on download. So and it will download to your mobile phone, and then the next thing you will do now is to go back to CapCut. So come back to our CapCut. So we add the microphone as an overlay. So you click on overlay here, add the microphone as an overlay, go to photos. This is a microphone we want to use. So you select it, add it, you can see it now, then add it here, see how it's going to look like. So let's play it and see how it will look like. And all you have to do now is drag the microphone straight to where your video ends, just like the way you did for the background itself. So you drag it to where your video ends. So this is where our video ends. You drag it to that place. So we come back and see how it is. So if this is not enough for us, let's roll it and hear the sound. Alright guys, I believe you find values in this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so as you always notified whenever I drop awesome. So you can see how it is. In case if you don't like the microphone, you can delete it and go for another one. Let's use another one like this. I will add it and then drag it down and increase the size, make it fit. Alright guys, that's all. See how it is. Alright guys, that's all about. So while it is talking, it seems as if the microphone is fixed there, but it is only you that edited the video. We know that this is not natural, that you are the one that added it. And you can see it. If it is not well fixed, you can shift it, make it smaller, and again drag it to where the video starts, the way the video ends. There's where our video ends. So play it again and see how it is. And now while it is talking, you see how it is like it is using the microphone while this is artificial. Guys, I believe you're getting value in this video. This is awesome, right? It's only me and you can know that this is not a real studio, that this is artificial, right? So you can see how it is. Anything you want to do, you can play around with it. If you have any question on this or you have any challenges, you can ask in the comment section and I won't hesitate to answer you. And if there is any video you want me to make, whether how to use CapCut or Canva, or you need Canva Pro, anything, any question at all, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll always get back to you. So for those of you who don't have studio like mine, like it's, you already have an update, you don't need to worry yourself again. You have seen how you can start making your studio professional, just like mine. So if you don't have, I have my own microphone, as you can see it here. I have my studio, but sometimes I prefer this one. It's simpler, no stress. It doesn't stress me at all. Just get up, do your video, and change the background. Guys, this is awesome. That's all about this tutorial. And guys, I believe you find values in this video. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button so as you always notified whenever I drop awesome update like this. And guys, don't forget to share this video to your friends out there who will be encountering some challenges on how to make their YouTube background videos look professional, like this one I showed you here. Do it to share to them so that they can watch and learn. And guys, if you're just visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Ezekiel. I teach you how to make money online and some other online hacks. So I bring to you latest updates on how to make money online. And I guess you don't want to miss any of these updates. So now to miss these updates, do it to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button so as whenever I post all these updates, whenever I drop awesome updates like how to make money online and many other online hacks, you'll always be the first to be notified. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.